All right, hey, Al Williamson, leading Landlord.com. I'm inside one of my short-term rentals, and this is kind of what it looks like. Just basic stuff. I'm doing some swapping out sofas. I do not like the way this one sofa's looking, so I just got another one from IKEA. They just delivered it, so I'm good. But I want to continue on with my laws of abundance. So we're talking about the 7 laws of abundance, and the second one is to provide value instead of services. When you do a service, it takes up your time. You got to coordinate that, and it's really limited. You can scale it up, absolutely, and keep scaling it. But value is something that is outside of time, and the value that you put on the value you can create is exponential. So now, how do you create value? One thing is you pack in a lot of information. If you are providing an information product for short-term rentals, what we do is concierge service and just being real personable with people and letting them know about what to expect, and little tips customized for them. They take it as a great value. Also caring for their pets, and just adding the pet's name to whatever correspondence you're adding to is a great value. It's outside of time. And also when it comes to those types of things and you're dealing with investors or other people, they come to know you as a high value person, and they're willing to do business with you with a whole lot less friction. So if focus on adding value, not being stingy with the value you give out, and you will be able to work and operate in abundance. So that's it for it. That's it for now. I'm going to keep trying to make these videos. Let's see if I can get them done this weekend. Okay.